Today I will be doing an experiment called cleaning pennies. And my reason for this is to determine which liquid added with salt will cause the pennies to be shinier, because these pennies have copper oxidized, which causes it to look old and rustic. Well, my materials will be 1/4 cup, a teaspoon of salt, vinegar, orange juice, water, and Coca-Cola. Paper towels, and most of all, pennies. For each experiment, I will be using 1 penny each trial. My hypothesis was that vinegar with salt will cause the penny to be shinier. But I don't know yet. That's why I'm going to do these trials. I will start my first trial, using vinegar and salt, 1 teaspoon of salt. Adding my salt in the vinegar. The salt sinks to the bottom. And now I will be adding my penny into my cup. Counting to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I will be removing my penny and rinsing it in water. Now I will place it on a piece of paper towel. As you can see, the vinegar helped taking off some of the copper oxidized. For my second trial, I will be adding 1 teaspoon of salt into orange juice, adding my 1 penny. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Removing my penny, I will rinse it in, letting it dry out on paper towel. Here's my outcome of penny 2. It really didn't take much of the copper acid out of it. Starting with trial 3, I will be adding 1 teaspoon of salt, my 1 penny, counting to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I will be removing my penny and letting it rinse out in water. My outcome was that it really didn't take much of the copper oxide out of the penny. Water and salt? I guess not. Now I'm on my final trial, adding salt into Coca-Cola. As you can see, it starts to bubble because the salt is reacting with the Coca-Cola. Adding my 1 penny, my constant variable. Been using 1 penny throughout the whole experiment. Inserting my penny, count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Cleaning it out with water, letting it soak on a piece of paper towel. As you can see, The Coca-Cola and salt cleaned off most of the copper oxide. Not all, but most. These are all my constants and my outcomes using